the ultimate accounting software for small businesses. Hello everyone and welcome to this video all about QuickBooks, the leading accounting software for small businesses. My name is Alex and I'm here to give you an in-depth overview of QuickBooks and show you why it's the best choice for managing your company's finances. QuickBooks has been around for over 25 years and is used by millions of small businesses worldwide. It was created by Intuit, a financial software company, to provide an easy-to-use accounting solution for entrepreneurs and small business owners who may not have a background in finance or accounting. The reason QuickBooks has become so popular is that it streamlines all of your essential bookkeeping and accounting tasks in one integrated platform. Whether you need to create invoices, track expenses, manage payroll, generate financial reports, or file your taxes, QuickBooks has you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features of QuickBooks and show you how it can benefit your small business. I'll cover topics like setting up your QuickBooks account, navigating the user interface, automating your accounting workflows, and utilizing QuickBooks' advanced reporting capabilities. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of why QuickBooks is the gold standard for small business accounting and how it can help you better manage the financial health of your company. Let's get started. Setting up your QuickBooks account. The first step in using QuickBooks is to set up your account. Fortunately, the process is fairly straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. When you first sign up for QuickBooks, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about your business, such as your company name, industry, number of employees, and annual revenue. This helps QuickBooks customize the software to your specific needs. Next, you'll need to connect your business bank accounts and credit cards to QuickBooks. This allows the software to automatically import and categorize all of your transactions, saving you a ton of time on manual data entry. QuickBooks supports direct integrations with over 19,000 financial institutions, so chances are your bank is already connected. One of the key decisions you'll need to make is which QuickBooks product is right for your business. QuickBooks offers several different versions, including QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and QuickBooks Self-Employed. Each one has slightly different features and pricing, so you'll want to evaluate your specific needs and choose the option that best fits your business. For most small businesses, I typically recommend QuickBooks Online. It's a cloud-based solution, which means you can access your accounts from anywhere with an internet connection. It also automatically backs up your data and receives regular updates, so you're always working with the latest version of the software. Once you've selected your QuickBooks product and connected your financial accounts, you can start customizing the software to match your business processes. This includes setting up your chart of accounts, customizing invoices and forms, and adding users and permissions for your team. QuickBooks also makes it easy to import data from other accounting software or spreadsheets you may have been using previously. This ensures a smooth transition and helps you preserve your historical financial records. By taking the time to properly set up your QuickBooks account, you'll lay the foundation for efficiently managing your finances moving forward. Let's dive into some of the core features that make QuickBooks so powerful. Automating accounting workflows. One of the biggest benefits of using QuickBooks is its ability to automate many of your essential accounting tasks. This not only saves you a significant amount of time, but also helps reduce the risk of human error. A prime example is invoicing. QuickBooks makes it easy to create professional-looking invoices in just a few clicks. You can customize the invoice template with your company logo, payment terms, and other branding elements. QuickBooks also allows you to set up recurring invoices for clients on a monthly or quarterly schedule. When a customer pays an invoice, QuickBooks automatically reconciles the payment and updates your books accordingly. You can even set up online payment options like credit cards and bank transfers, making it easier for clients to pay you promptly. Another area where QuickBooks shines is expense tracking. The software allows you to easily log and categorize all of your business expenses, whether they're paid by cash, check, or credit card. You can even snap photos of your receipts and have QuickBooks automatically extract the relevant details. For example, let's say you want to track your reporting a step further by allowing you to customize these reports to your specific needs. You can filter the data by date range, product or service, customer, vendor, and more. This granularity allows you to analyze your finances from multiple angles and identify trends or areas for improvement. For example, let's say you want to track your top-selling products or services over the past 12 months. QuickBooks Sales by Item Detail Report allows you to do just that, giving you a clear picture of your best-performing offerings. Similarly, the A/R Aging Report shows you which of your customers have outstanding invoices and how long those invoices have been past due. This intelligence helps you focus your collection efforts on the accounts most in need of attention. Beyond standard financial reports, QuickBooks also offers valuable operational insights. The Employee Hours Report tracks time worked by each member of your team, while the Expenses by Vendor Summary Report highlights your top spending categories and vendors. All of these reports can be easily exported to Excel, PDF, or other formats, making it simple to share them with your accountant, business partners, or investors. But the reporting capabilities in QuickBooks go even further. The software's advanced reporting features allow you to create customized, visual dashboards that display your most important KPIs in one centralized view. These dashboards can include a mix of charts, graphs, and tables that track metrics like revenue, expenses, cash flow, accounts receivable, and more. You can even set up automated email delivery so key stakeholders receive these reports on a regular cadence. The ability to quickly access and interpret your financial data is crucial for making informed, data-driven decisions about your business. QuickBooks reporting tools empower you to identify trends, spot issues, and capitalize on opportunities that you may have missed otherwise. Of course, no discussion of QuickBooks would be complete without mentioning its tax preparation capabilities. Let's take a closer look at how the software streamlines the tax filing process. Simplifying tax preparation, 500 words. As a small business owner, tax season can be a major source of stress and anxiety. Fortunately, QuickBooks makes the process of preparing and filing your taxes significantly easier. First and foremost, QuickBooks automatically tracks and categorizes all of your business income and expenses throughout the year. This means you don't have to scramble at the last minute to gather all of your financial records. QuickBooks has already done the hard work of organizing your data. When it's time to file your taxes, QuickBooks provides step-by-step guidance to help you prepare your tax return. The software integrates with leading tax preparation services like TurboTax, allowing you to seamlessly transfer your financial data and maximize your deductions. QuickBooks also offers a variety of tax-focused reports that give you a clear picture of your tax obligations. For example, the tax summary report shows your total income, expenses, and estimated tax payments for the year. This helps you plan ahead and avoid any surprises come tax time. If you work with an accountant or tax professional, QuickBooks makes it easy for them to access the information they need. You can invite them to view and collaborate on your QuickBooks data, streamlining the tax preparation process. Additionally, QuickBooks automatically calculates and files your quarterly estimated tax payments. This ensures you stay compliant with IRS requirements and avoid potential penalties or interest charges. One of the most valuable tax-related features in QuickBooks is its ability to track and report on your business use of a vehicle. As I mentioned earlier, the software's mileage tracking functionality logs your driving activity and associates it with specific customers or projects. When tax season rolls around, you can easily calculate your vehicle-related deductions. Beyond taxes, QuickBooks also simplifies other important financial compliance tasks, such as generating 1099 forms for your independent contractors, tracking sales tax collected and remitted, providing detailed payroll records for your employees. By handling these administrative burdens, QuickBooks frees you up to focus on the core activities that drive your business forward. No more scrambling to gather receipts or sifting through piles of paperwork. QuickBooks puts all of your critical tax and compliance information at your fingertips. In conclusion, QuickBooks is an essential tool for any small business owner looking to streamline their accounting and financial management processes. From automating core workflows to providing powerful reporting capabilities and simplifying tax preparation, QuickBooks delivers a comprehensive solution that can transform the way you manage your company's finances. The key benefits of using QuickBooks include automation. QuickBooks automates a wide range of accounting tasks, such as invoicing, expense tracking, payroll processing, and bank reconciliations. This saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. Reporting and analytics. QuickBooks offers robust reporting features that provide deep insights into your business performance. You can generate customized financial statements, track key metrics, and make data-driven decisions. Tax preparation. QuickBooks integrates seamlessly with tax filing services and provides specialized reports to simplify the tax preparation process. It also handles estimated tax payments and 1099 forms. Accessibility. As a cloud-based solution, QuickBooks Online enables you to access your financial data from anywhere with an internet connection. It also supports mobile apps for on-the-go use. Scalability. QuickBooks offers different product tiers to accommodate businesses of all sizes, from sole proprietors to larger enterprises. As your company grows, QuickBooks can grow with you. Whether you're just starting out or running an established small business, QuickBooks is an invaluable tool that can revolutionize the way you manage your finances. By automating tedious tasks, providing robust reporting, and simplifying tax compliance, QuickBooks empowers you to focus on the strategic, revenue-driving aspects of your business. I hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of why QuickBooks is the gold standard in small business accounting software. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to the QuickBooks support team or visit their comprehensive knowledge base at QuickBooks.intuit.com. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in growing your business.